We're out here at the lake. We're gonna test out the Mert'r gill that we just won off of Kobergier's custom baits. And then we're gonna try out the newest addition to the JRuybal fishing channel, which is this American Hero speed stick, a more finesse approach rod and reel combo. My wife and kids got me that for Father's Day, so I'm pretty happy with it. Stoked. Let's see if we can't get anything to rip this Mert'r gill right away. Oh, that's what you want to do. Alright, let me hit this thing all hard, so let's get out here. See if we can't run it this way and see if we can't get bit. I'll probably throw a couple more casts and then probably start moving my way around the lake. And I'll probably take a couple more shots of the gill in the water. Oh, there's a big bass right there. A big bass right there. Let's see if we can't get him to come back. Go quick. Nothing, didn't come back. Throw it out this way. Man, that was a good sized bass following it too. Alright, come on, Mert'r gill. I have faith in it. If any of you have ever thrown big swim baits like this, give me some tips, because so far I've not done very well with this thing. I've done good to attract their attention. Like that, see? Another big bass came up, but did not want it. Alright, we've just seen that big bass come back. I'm going to try to get it close to the shallow part and then run it this way to see if I can't get him to hit that way. Oh, I skipped it. Whoops. Start quick. Got one. Ah. Dang it. Got excited and didn't set the hook good. Or something small is hitting it. On here, I think. It's a monster. Oh, it's not even a little trout. It's a little baby bass. First fish on the day is a little dink on, I think it's a Vexen lure that I got in a mystery tackle box, panfish and trout that I found at the Walmart here. Not too bad. Thought it was a little trout. I can't get this back hook off his head. Yeah, there we go. Little dink. Hopefully that big bass don't eat him. Oh, he's trying to swim away. Yeah, that's one fish. The Texas rig. trench hog. See if we can get hit. This one on the trench hog. Nice. Not very big, but shoot, after struggling all day to not even catch one fish, but that little dink, nice. Yes. Missed him the first time, got him the second time. There we go. Nice little 2-pounder on the day. Not bad. See if we can't catch a bigger one. All right, let's get a nice release. There we go. Swam off fine. Yeah. What's up, guys? So far, I caught another fish while the camera was charging. It's about the same size, maybe a little bit bigger than the other one. That's a good catfish right there. But I got them both on this trench hog. So hopefully we could produce with this again. Got him. Yes. That makes 3 bass for the trench hog. Alright, let's get him in. It's not as big as that other fish we got, but still good sized bass. Yes. Shoot, no, that one's way bigger than the other one. Heck yeah, guys. Better get at them Googan baits, man. Telling you. Trench hog. Aye. Good sized bass right here. Probably about a 3-pounder. Yes, I got it on footage too. Nice. It's a good sized fish. 3 pounds. On the trench hog. Do a nice release for it. Yes. All right. So there's another look at that big fish. Yes, that's 2 on the trench hog, or 3 on the trench hog today. Oh, he jumped. All right, not the best release, but there's that big healthy fish swimming off. Exxon now. Gonna give the bass a little break. See if we can't catch a couple trout. Just for fun. Now that we're not really seeing too many big bass over here. Wow, that was very impressive. All right, let's see. We're ready now. Nice. We were watching this thing swim around for a while. Boom. First rainbow trout on the day. Not bad. Aye. These things freak out. Okay, okay. Chill out, friend. I will get you unhooked. Okay. As I hook you again. Alright, yeah. It's a good little rainbow trout. Let this thing go. Nice. Another good sized bass. Didn't have the GoPro on because I thought I was gonna not get nothing. But nice. Let's go back, walk back. Oh shoot. Nice fish right here. Awesome. So we got another big bass. Someone's line. Sweet. That makes 5 for the trench hog. 4 or 5 for the trench hog. But look at that fish. That's a lot bigger. That's an easy 6-5 pounder. Woo! Not bad. All right, let's get a nice release on this dude. Get him back in the water so we can catch a bigger one. Oh, look at that thing. All right, guys, we're back at that first stock. Probably gonna end the day here pretty soon. Gonna just try to catch one more fish or just fish for a little while. But thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and share with your friends. Once we get to that 50 subscribers, I'll do that giveaway. I'll probably start adding on stuff to that giveaway. So it'll be like I think it's the March 6-cent sack, and then I'll start adding on some other things. Probably like soft plastics, maybe some jigs, who knows. So make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and hopefully we could get on another fish.